Hi, Namaskara. Today I am here for a short live session to share with you an important update on COVID vaccines. So today is a day where more than 2 crore people are vaccinated. So people have many doubts. So how long this immunity lasts and whether to take a third dose, booster dose, how effective is the first dose, all these things. So I have 5 very important updates everyone must know about COVID vaccine. So number one is how long COVID immunity lost after 2 doses of vaccination. As per expert opinion, as per many studies, it is concluded that immunity lost after 2 doses may be approximately 9 to 12 months. So it may vary. Some people who had COVID and then got vaccination. Some people have never had COVID, got only vaccination. So it differs from population to population. But after 2 doses of COVID vaccination, the immunity lasts at an average 9 to 12 months. Second question many people ask me is, when should a third dose of COVID to be taken? That means, is a booster dose of COVID is required or not? Usually, many countries are telling that the booster dose, third dose is required. But in India, there is no consensus. So, as per scientific expert recommendation is, if the patient is elderly people whose immunity is very low, immunocompromised people, for them, the third dose of vaccine or a booster dose of vaccine may be considered, but not for the general population. That's not required. But as of today, Government of India has not come up with any guidelines on third dosage. But many countries are advocating the third dosage, especially in the France, people elderly and immunocompromised people are advised to take a third or a booster dose. So number three, is it safe to travel after COVID vaccination? Usually, immunity develops 14 days after second dose of vaccination. So, with masking and with all the adequate precautions, traveling can be done. But remember, COVID vaccine doesn't prevent you from infection. It can prevent you from the severity and death. Even COVID vaccinated people can get infected again. So, take all the precautions. The mask is the best vaccine of all. The fourth question is, many people get doubt whether to get an antibody test after COVID vaccination to confirm whether I developed an antibody or not. There are many varieties of COVID antibodies available, like nucleocapsid antibody, RBD antibody, but these antibody tests are not reliable. And many antibodies like T-cell antibodies are not measurable. So don't waste your money by getting an antibody test after COVID vaccination. So you will develop an antibody after taking dose, don't worry. But getting an antibody test as a commercial purpose, as promoted by many labs, is not advisable. So for next question is, mixing match of the vaccines, like mix match vaccines. For example, I have taken first dose of Covishield, can I take second dose Covaxin? Or somebody who has taken first dose of Pfizer in US came to India, can they take second dose of Covishield? But in some studies, it is told that the mix match vaccine, the two different vaccine, has given a better immune response compared to the same vaccine. For example, in a Gorakhpur, by accident, some 20 members have taken first Covishield and second, by mistake, they taken Covaxin. But their antibody titers were studied, they had a better antibody response compared to others. But due to still the studies are going on and there is no concrete data available, so far the WHO or Indian government has not given a guidelines for the mixed match vaccine. So as of now, the guideline says that you have to take the same vaccine second dose also. And there is one more hypothesis, whether the booster dose can be taken a different vaccine. Suppose if you have taken 2 doses Covishield, can a booster dose can be taken as a Covaxin. So all these things are under trial stage. Some studies have proven its benefits, but ultimately the public authorities, government of India data should give a guidelines. Till that time, there is no mixed match vaccines are available. Many studies says there is no harm, but till that guidelines are available, we cannot go for it. So these are all five important things. How long the immunity lost, when should you take a third dosage, travel after vaccination, antibody test, and last is mixed match the vaccine. But after all, remember this, the best vaccine of all is a masking. Even if you're vaccinated, never forget to follow COVID precautions. And there's a question from Ankit, after second dose of vaccine, are we safe from other viral infection like seasonal fever, etc.? No. The COVID vaccine is protective only against COVID. And along with COVID vaccine, you can also take a flu vaccine. You are not protected from the other flu vaccines and other viral infection. You can be infected. COVID vaccine is only for the COVID. That's all. So that's all for today. I'll come again with other updates. Bye for now. Good night.